everyone! Today, we are exploring the most famous hotspots in New York City together. First, I need to find out how to get to Central Park from here. Excuse me, could you tell me the best way to get to Central Park?
Sure, just head straight down this street for a few blocks.
Thank you so much! Have a wonderful day! Wow, here we are! Central Park is like a green oasis in the middle of the concrete jungle. I am looking for the famous Bethesda fountain. Let's check the signpost. Hi there! Do you happen to know where the Bethesda fountain is? Oh, sure, it's just down that path.
You can't miss it.
I found it! This place is absolutely breathtaking and very popular for movies. Next stop, Bryant Park. I think I will take the public bus this time. Hi, does this bus go down to 42nd Street?
Yes, it does. Hop on in.
Great, thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy the ride.
Can I pay with this?
Yes, it does. Just swipe or tap your card right here to pay.
Okay, thank you. Taking the bus is a great way to see the city without walking too much. Bryant Park is so cozy. There are always people reading, eating lunch, or playing chess. Hi, can I get a regular black coffee and a cinnamon roll, please?
Of course. That'll be $5.50s.
Perfect, thank you.
Coming right up.
Excuse me, is this seat taken? Do you mind if I sit here? Oh, not at all. Please, sit down. Not at all. Go ahead and sit down. Thank you. The weather is just wonderful today, isn't it? It really is. It's the perfect day to be outside and relax. Absolutely, I agree. Oh dear, my phone battery is very low, and I am not sure which direction the subway is. Excuse me, officer, can you tell me where the nearest subway station is?
Of course, it's just 2 blocks down on your left.
Perfect. And does that train go towards the Brooklyn Bridge?
Yes, it does. Straight shot.
I step out of the subway station. The weather is perfect for a walk across the bridge. Here is the pedestrian walkway. Let's start our walk from Brooklyn back to Manhattan. The view from here is incredible. I need to take a quick picture of the skyline. Excuse me, could you take a photo of me with the bridge in the background, please? Oh, sure, I'd be happy to. Great, thank you. Just like this is perfect. Should I stand a bit more to the left? Yes, perfect. Wow, that looks amazing. Thank you so much for your help. You're welcome. I'm so glad you like it. You're very welcome. Enjoy the rest of your day in the city. Walking over these old wooden planks feels like walking through history. Look down there! The traffic underneath the pedestrian path is so busy. The stone arches of the bridge are so grand. It took many years to build this. There are many street vendors here. I think I will buy a small magnet. Hi, how much is this fridge magnet, please?
Just $2, miss.
It is $5. Here you go, keep the change. Now I am in SoHo. This neighborhood is famous for its beautiful architecture and shopping. Let's go into this boutique. They always have the latest fashion trends. Hi, can I try this trench coat on? Do you have it in a medium? Of course. Let me check for you. Let me check our stock. Yes, we have one left in the back room. It is a bit too big, but I love the oversized look. It looks very New York. It's perfect for you. After some shopping, I walk down towards the World Trade Center area. Look at this futuristic building. This is the Oculus, a massive train station and mall. The inside is even more impressive. Everything is completely white and modern. Excuse me, which exit leads directly to the 9/11 Memorial Pools?
It's this one, right here. Follow the signs.
I want just a minute of your attention. Support this channel and leave a subscription and like now. Thanks. What an incredible day. I learned so much and saw the best places in the city. Have you ever been to New York? Write it in the comments, or is it still an unfulfilled dream? Thank you for exploring New York with me. Don't forget to subscribe for more English lessons. Bye!